Hi. So I have this Chinese diesel heater. I've used it for long periods of time, sometimes weeks on end, and as soon as you shut it off, it will not restart. It just smokes and smokes and smokes. So I have torn these things apart now multiple times, trying to figure out what is causing this smoking. I've seen other people post videos. They can't figure out what's going on, and you tear it apart, you clean it, you put it all back together, and you put it together and it still does the same thing. And you can't figure out why it just doesn't go. It just smokes. That's all it does. Clicks and smokes. You try your fuel, you try your air, you try your fans, you try your glow plug. Clean the screen, tear it right apart, right from the inside out, and you still have the same problem. So, by accident, let me find my pliers here. You gotta do this with one hand here. I don't have a tripod or anything. Pull your glow plug out. Now that you only have to do this, I think if you run it for long periods of time, the carbon builds up so bad in them. Glow plug is not that bad. It's nice and clean still. But you look down in this hole here. Sorry for the light. I'll try this. Down in that hole where the screen is, looks like the bottom of the screen there. And you gotta be careful, you don't want to wreck the screen. But took it all apart, took the screen out, cleaned it all, put it all back together, everything. Still smoked. That's all it did was smoke. And so I took a little scraper, because I seen some carbon build up down the bottom of the screen there, which I thought was a screen. Took a little pick, just like this, and you go down past the screen. Just here, hold on one second. At the bottom of that screen, there's a little hole, there's a little jet. And you poke it through, you won't even know it's there, because if it's built up with carbon, it'll feel hard. But you just poke it through, and then you take an air hose and blow it out, and all the crap will come out the exhaust pipe. You put it back together, and it will fire up and run perfect. I guarantee you. I hope this helps.